Okay, 18, we're on the second roof plane. You see right here, we got a crack tile right there. Oh, a chip tile, I should say. What happened to emulsions up in here, they close the ends and making the actual tile crack like that. And then that piece right there, we'll put it to the side so we can do it the end when we shoot down. It does have emulsion on the lips of it. We're going all the way to the half point right there. I see some other areas right there, little spots that we'll just go in to get knocked out there for our client. This is nowhere near as bad as another area at all. Right, so we do have the lightning algae right here. Again, emulsion begins to build right in between these things. You can see right again on the lips here. So I just had it right here. But it's depending on our time here because that's the difference. We don't have to reach out this area right here and all up there. It looks like they can go halfway up there as well. So if I get good timing, I'll come in and knock it halfway up, get as much as I can, just a couple spots right there. That just makes more cleanup work when it comes down. All right, all-terrain cleaning solutions, LLC. This spring clean.
All right, so we're gonna start up here from the area that we had contracted to do. We worked our way down. Now I'm just getting some footage here so we can see the process of how we remove the moss off the lips of the towel, as well as any other heavy organic matter there, such as mold, dirt, mildew, and pollens and things like that. So now we're brushing this all the way off, rinsing it down. We get some footage from the ground. Eventually you'll probably see our client's flag there. We ask them and let them know to go ahead and we'll take that down so that way once we apply our solution, the treatment, that it doesn't discolor his flag. He was a veteran. Now you see us up at the top right there. That's the extra, but we did pro bono. Went past the area that we were contracted to do because we were in good timing. And he's a neighbor, so taking care of. Now you see us doing our solution right there, applying the treatment. And then we'll kind of show the after footage of what it looks like. Right. So we're looking here. So again, this is still the treatment process. We're gonna go ahead and apply it. Either all wet, look from the top right there, that kills all the microorganisms, all the pollens, right? Algae, mildew. For the Supreme Clean Exterior Cleaning Services done at its finest, all terrain, second to none. Let's go, 18. Alright, now see Elijah down there on the ground, getting the ground cleaned up. Now we're just doing our after footage here so we can show how everything turned out. Turned out really well as well. Our client was ecstatic. He's going to have us back out, do other areas as well that needs cleaning. So for the Supreme Clean, you know the slogan. Hey, we'll catch you guys on the next time around. Like, remember, look at those. Look at the lips of those towels. No more moss.
So we got all the moss
all the algae, lichen, all the pollens removed. And that's how you get it done.
So, yeah, that's it.
And we'd like to thank you for spending some time watching our videos, and spread the word, allterrain.com. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you. Turned out really nice.